So student, in this part 3, chapter 4, class 8, subject maths, we are going to construct a parallelogram ABCD given that AB and BC 4 and 5 respectively. Angle A is given 60 degree and here we will draw a parallelogram. First I'll roughly draw a parallelogram. You know that the parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and they are equal. So suppose if this is 4 centimeter AB, so this must be 4 centimeter. BC is given 5 centimeter, so AD must be 5 centimeter. Now angle A is given 60, so what will be angle B? If you remember, co-interior angles, they sum up to 180. So if angle A is 60 degree, what will be angle B? 180 minus 60, so you have to draw angle B 120. Now angles you can draw using protractor, and if you know how to draw this angles using compass, you can draw both. But generally it is expected that you use compass. I'll be showing both the ways. So first of all, I have drawn the rough figure. Let's start drawing with our construction. So first of all, I need to draw AB with the 4 centimeter. I'll start with AB. This is my A and this is my B. Now at A, I need 60 degree. You simply put your protractor here. You can mark with 60 degree here, right? And you can just have a line. That way also you can find, but I'll even teach you how to draw using compass. So for 60 degree, first take any arc, radius arc, okay, here, keeping A as a center. The first arc that touches the line segment, from that another arc with the same radius, yes, and join that line. So this is your 60 degree. You got this? This is our 60 degree. This is our 60 degree. Now you know that this is 60 degree. You know that this has to be 5 centimeters. So first I'll measure this and I'll put an arc with the 5 centimeter. So keeping A as a center, let's have an arc at 5 centimeter. This is my point D. I'll simply write. I'll draw and write, so I don't forget what I'm doing here. Now B, I need to draw 120. You know 120 is obtuse angle, so it opens the mouth. So you have to draw this way, right? So use a protractor. You can draw 120, or let's make it using compass. So again, first to make a 120, what I'll do is I'll first make a 90 degree first. So let's have this. Okay, first let's have a 60 degree. Take any radius. Right? Now this is my 60 and one more arc. This is my 120. So this is 120. First arc and second arc, that makes 120. I'll just extend the line. And what I'm supposed to, this is 120 degree. Right? First arc and second arc, that is 120 degree. I'll put an arc at 5 centimeter. Now join this two. Join this two. This is your C and this is your D. So if you'll measure it, you will also get this as a 4. Yes, you can get it 4 centimeter. And if you'll measure this, this is 5 centimeter. This extra you can rub, but I would suggest not to rub, so teacher can make out that from where you have done all this arcs and all. So this is my parallelogram ABCD. What condition was there? Angle A is 60. BC has to be 5, it is 5, and AB is 4. So all conditions are proved. So I have constructed a parallelogram. That means opposite angles, they are equal and opposite sides are equal, and you can see these two angles are complementary to each other. This is 60 and this is 120. Thank you.